Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are making a refreshing gut-boosting matcha apple smoothie with our Koso. This smoothie is packed with nutrients that support your gut health, metabolism, and overall wellness. Let's dive into the ingredients and how they benefit you. You've likely heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are packed with nutrients and are known for providing various health benefits such as promoting heart health and potentially lowering the risk of certain cancers. They are a simple yet effective way to support overall wellness. Apples are also a great source of fiber, especially pectin, which feed the good bacteria in your gut. Kiwis are incredibly nutrient-dense, offering a rich variety of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are particularly abundant in vitamin C, a key nutrient that plays an essential role in maintaining a healthy immune system and digestion. Matcha is loaded with catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that support metabolism and reduce inflammation. Daikon radish has a nice mild flavor and is high in enzymes that aid digestion. In Japan, we eat daikon radish with fish to support digestion. Our Koso, a fermented drink made of more than 100 whole food ingredients in Japan, is packed with probiotics, postbiotics, and prebiotics that are great for balancing your gut microbiome. This smoothie is very simple to make. Just add all the ingredients into the blender and blend until smooth. You got a gut-boosting, nutrient-packed smoothie that's perfect for any time of the day. The combination of fiber, antioxidant, and postbiotics from our Koso makes this drink a delicious way to support your gut and overall health. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.